our next move, Spider-Man?
Goblin knows I'm Peter Parker. Electro has the power of the Siege Perilous.
Do you not remember what you did in our worlds? You made a difference. It's time to do it again, but in the here and now.
I'm still Spider-Man!
Not gonna let you cry wee all the way home.
Spider-Man can't worry about himself. Spider-Man has to think of others first. Our next move, we drop Osborn off at the nearest... Wonder why supervillains always end up with a giant robot?
No, but it's all...
Tie it up and slow it down. Can't let him use this thing to fry the city.
Enough alone! Now you get to fry!
Nice shot for a...
Hey,
Always pretty funny, don't you?
I won't lie. I do crack myself up from time to time.
Well, you won't be laughing when this thing is self-destruct.
Get it when I get back.